Sensibility and practicality define the 2018 BMW X1. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, power front seats, speed-sensitive wipers, a power liftgate, and remote keyless entry. BMW also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.